James here from DragonBlogger.com. Today was something a little different. As you know, fall just hit, and well, as you can see, there's nothing on the table. Well, that's because we're gonna talk about these fall decorations. No, I'm kidding. We're actually gonna talk about this little item here. This is from SoundBlaster, Creative Sounds. This is their G6. Hopefully you guys can see this. This is a high-res gaming DAC and USB sound card with headphone biamp. Well, that's pretty, it's pretty hard to find a biamp and DAC, all-in-one sound card plus everything that sets externally. The best part is you can't find a lot of them that are actually compatible with everything. This is compatible with PS4, Xbox One, Nintendo Switch, and so on. So that's what we'll be testing it on. Definitely the Nintendo Switch, the Xbox. I can't do PS4. I don't have one of those. But, that's what we'll be getting at. Discrete X amp. It's 130 dBs or decibels. I'm not going to say it's a true decibel because, if you've ever been in a loud car stereo, they're pretty loud. High-res, Dolby Digital, and 5.1 and 7.1 surround sound. On the side, it talks about the X amp discrete headphone, how, you go from your source to left and right, and it'll pull out to the left and right. Just a little picture, I don't know if you guys can see this, shows the side, little controllers of scout mode, SPX, and low and high gain. On the bottom, little label, if you're getting it from Amazon, I think Amazon, it's about $145. On the back, it shows you, where you plug your mic, your headset, how you can connect it up to like a surround sound or, a subwoofer surround sound setup for your computers, or your PlayStation, Xboxes, microphones, cameras, and other devices. Just a little bit of talking about it. And then the content, of course, the DAC sound card itself. Looks like a 3.5mm jack to USB or 3.5 to 3.5. I don't know yet. We'll actually have to get in there. And it'd be USB to micro USB, I would believe, and then the, installation software kit. I actually forgot a knife to open this, so if you guys give me a second. Alright, now that I got my knife, I zoomed you guys in. We're going to actually just cut this little sticker tab. And hopefully I don't cut myself. We're going to set the knife aside so we don't stab ourselves. I'm going to plop it down. Inside is some nice foam padding in the top box. Nice. I mean, this looks awesome. Definitely has the X on top. I don't know if this lights up. We will find out if that actually lights up. That'd be pretty cool if it does. I mean, yeah, I guess it does. It shows it lit up red on the box. So we're going to go with it lights up. Nice box, nice container. The amp has a nice rubber bottom with the actual engraving of their name. On the side, like I said, the control buttons. Switch side to side. Tells you if you're Dolby Digital or not. The front, your microphone jack, your headphone jack, your volume on and off. Pretty much you just spin and spin and spin, or push the button. And then on the back you have your USB micro. Then you have your line optical out and your line optical in. So we'll get more into that as we do the review process. Inside we'll pop the back out. This will be our actual USB to micro USB to USB port. If you guys can see this, it's USB to micro USB. Pretty much you plug it into this right here. If it connects in, then connect it to your computer. We're not going to worry about that in this video. The next one is actually optical cord. So it's not 3.5, it is actually an optical cord. So I will show you guys this, and you guys need to be careful with this because if you break it, it is glass optical. It will not work if you bend this too much. So right here is a port end. This port in lights up. I'm not sure if we're actually supposed to pull the ends off this. Yes, we are. We're going to say no. I know this side comes off. Like that. And this is the opposite end. So it will go actually into here. Just like that. Feels a little funny putting it in there, but that's the way it goes. It definitely will not go with this plastic end. Don't force it, don't try it. You know, that's your optical. They don't give you two. So if you need another one, you're actually going to have to probably purchase it from them, because I have not seen an optical cord that is not square on both sides and has a long extension like this. We will set that aside. Do not eat the gel pack. I don't care. You could use these gel packs to make a sock thing for your car to keep moisture out of your car. We have, you know, worldwide warranty for it. Declaration of conformity. We have a little logo. Welcome aboard. Thank you for spending your hard-earned cash on the SoundBlaster X product. The team's behind this. You know, it goes on, talks about the team thanking you pretty much. Then we have the manual. The manual itself will tell you how to connect everything. We don't actually need this, but if you can see it, it folds out and it's a pain in the butt. So, let's pop this out a little. You know, optical line out and in. You will need another one to do this. So, like I said, you will need a second cord, no matter what. You know, your line out, you'll need two to go to either the amplifier or the speakers, and so on. But it will walk you through this. I'm not going to do that in this review. I'm just unboxing this so you guys can see this. So pretty much that is what all comes in this. You know, everything and anything you need is set up in here. This is like palm size. If you guys see how small this is awesome. It will hide on your desk. I apologize. So you can set it on your desk. It will be hidden away. I'm not sure where you'd set it on your desk, because you will have to have some wires coming out, or some wires coming out here. Now, if you are using this on like your Nintendo Switch, let me go grab it. Actually, I'm not going to pull the switch off, but pretty much you plug this like this and plug the USB into your Switch. That's all you got to do. So I will do a walkthrough of installing this. They do actually have a software, so if you need a software to like for your computer, they actually have a software to use. But that is the SoundBlaster G6, and it goes for, like I said, under 150 bucks. I think it's like 143 right now on Amazon. I'll actually leave the link to that in the description below. And I thank you for checking out this video, and keep your eyes out for more on dragonblogger.com to come. And thank you.